To install the WordPress plugin, go to the administrative panel of your store. Select the Plugins tab from the left menu. And click the Add New button. On the plugin page appeared, enter Elegro in the search bar. The plugin will appear at the top of the results list. Click the Install Now button. Wait until the installation is finished. After the installation, hit Activate button to enable the WordPress plugin. Select the WooCommerce tab from the left menu and proceed with the settings. Select the Payments tab. Then click Manage button of the Elegro crypto payment method. On a page appeared, copy provided response server URL. On the Elegro dashboard, select the Account tab and go to API Keys section. Paste previously copied response server URL into the Input Your Listen URL field. Click Save icon to save the changes. Copy secret API key and public API key from the dashboard using special icons, and then paste them into the corresponding fields of the Elegro crypto payment module settings on the administrative panel of your shop. After adding the API keys, press the Save Changes button. To pay for the purchases online via Elegro solution, your customer should choose an item he wants to buy and add it to a cart. Then press the Checkout button. On the appeared page containing all the purchase details, the buyer should click the button Proceed to Checkout. On the billing details page, he or she should fill in all personal information, and then select Elegro crypto payment and click the Place Order button. On the checkout page containing general payment information such as date, order number and total amount, it is necessary to double check all the details again, and then click the Buy button. From now, all your customers can buy things on the store with crypto coins.